Hello there, my name is Omkar Sharma. Welcome to our channel The Health Wish. In this video, we are going to talk about who should use this teaburn. I mean, if you are thinking to use this teaburn, then why? And if you should use this teaburn or not, is it good for you or not? We will talk about all this stuff in this video. But before we get into this, if you are searching for the official website of this teaburn, then you can just go ahead through the description of this video, and there you will find the official website link of this teaburn. So let's move on to our topic. Look, teaburn is a unique tasteless formula that can be added to your tea or drink and improve weight loss. This supplement is immaculate for people who want to speed up their metabolism and lose fat. Plus, it whitens the teeth. Anyone can use this teaburn because of its all-natural formula. If you are struggling with excess fat storage in your body, do not be upset. Teaburn might fight them. Besides helping your metabolism work flawlessly, it can improve your overall health, increase energy, and give you the stamina you need for the day. If you feel that your body is operating against you, teaburn may be the answer that turns things around. This supplement may also help people who have a considerable appetite because it may reduce it and thus provide a calorie deficit. Therefore, teaburn will work for anyone regardless of age, weight, unique body characteristics, and race. The active ingredients in the product are blended to support every metabolism and give the body the needed vitamins and minerals. Additionally, teaburn does not include any unwanted and harmful elements which can spoil the experience. This will make teaburn suitable for every individual who decide to try an immense weight loss and metabolism boost formula as well. So now you are well aware who should use this teaburn. So as I told you before, for making things much more easy for you, I will put the official website link of this teaburn in the description. So if you want to get more information about this teaburn or you just want to check it out, then you can just go through the description of this video. So please do like the video if the information I gave to you was informative to you. Comment down below if you have any doubt regarding this teaburn. Believe me, you will get your solution as soon as possible. And subscribe this channel for more genuine talks like this. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in a bit.